This is our product, Hammer Pulse 3.0. There is a golden pin. You can charge it with that charger. Just place the charger and it's getting start. You can download the required application from the watch as well. Just scan the QR code and download the application. Application name is DaFit. Just click on the device and then you need to go on add a device. Just tap on Hammer Pulse 3.0. While you are connecting the watch with your phone, make sure your phone screen is on. After connecting it with the application, just go to the Bluetooth settings of your phone and you need to pair it with your mobile as well for getting the notifications of call. Okay.